Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the best digital banking apps for beginners. In our increasingly digital world, managing our finances efficiently is essential. So, let's dive into the top 5 digital banking apps that will make your banking experience seamless and simple. Are you tired of traditional banking methods? In this video, we present the best digital banking apps suitable for beginners. These apps offer convenience, security, and user-friendly interfaces to enhance your banking experience. Let's explore them one by one. App 1, ABC Bank. Our first pick is ABC Bank. This app provides a simple and intuitive interface, making it easy for beginners to navigate. With features like mobile check deposit and bill payment, you can handle your banking needs directly from your phone. ABC Bank also prioritizes security, ensuring that your financial information remains safe and protected. It's an excellent choice for those starting their digital banking journey. App 2, XYZ Banking. Next on our list is XYZ Banking. This app caters specifically to beginners, offering step-by-step tutorials and educational resources to guide you through the process. You can track your spending, set budgets, and receive personalized alerts to stay on top of your finances. Get ready to simplify your financial life with XYZ Banking. App 3, MoneyMate. If you're looking for an app that combines banking and budgeting seamlessly, MoneyMate is the one for you. This app not only helps you manage your accounts but also tracks your expenses and helps you set financial goals. With MoneyMate, you can visualize your spending patterns and make informed decisions about your money. App 4, Easy Bank. Easy Bank is another fantastic choice for beginners. It offers a user-friendly interface and provides various tools to simplify your banking experience. You can keep track of your transactions, send money to friends and family, and even set up automatic savings transfers. With Easy Bank, managing your finances has never been easier. App 5, Digital Savings. Last but not least, we have Digital Savings. As the name suggests, this app focuses on helping you save and grow your money. With features like round-up spare change savings and customized savings goals, Digital Savings makes it effortless to build your nest egg. It's perfect for beginners who want to start their savings journey on the right foot. And that wraps up our list of the best digital banking apps for beginners. Remember, these apps provide user-friendly interfaces, security, and various features to make your banking experience seamless. We hope you found this video helpful in deciding which app suits your needs best. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more finance-related tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.